parents. We are here at Disneyland. Woo! Made myself dizzy. But alright, so trying to do work while on vacation. I am trying. I literally edited when I was on the plane. And I was able to get like a third of editing done for one video. But one of the main reasons I wanted to come and just kind of like get out of my environment is because I've been dealing with so much anxiety about starting something new and starting a new journey. So I know I shared that with you guys a little bit in my last vlog. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. But I felt like getting away would really help me. This way I don't have anything to lose. I feel like a fresh start, and I could just call some schools, send some emails, trying to get into schools to do professional development. So starting that new journey, and as you see, haven't quite done that yet. I've been to Rodeo Drive. We're at Disneyland right now. So we are going to try it again. Tomorrow I should have a little bit more time. So that is the plan. So we'll see what we get done tomorrow. I will state that it has been a really good way to just let go and let God. So just join me today. Join me today in Disneyland, and then tomorrow we will see how much work we can get done while we're here in California. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, while we were in California, so what brought me out to Cali is I have a family reunion, but I wanted to come a few days early just so that I can get some work done, because I've been dealing with so much anxiety and I've been so much in my head. I thought that getting away and just coming outside of my environment would help me just conquer my fear and get what I needed to get done as far as my new leg in my educational consulting business. That's so loud. But so far, haven't been very successful in that. So my daughter has the motion sickness mommy riding a carousel. Hi. There she goes. So we'll try not to get sick at Disney. So I'm on the infamous Splash Mountain. We go through the big splash and then it shuts down. Dun, dun, dun. So we are now stuck in the middle of the mountain. I'm so glad we did. So we have exited from the log to the side of the ride.
Hey guys, we just love all of these rides and we've never seen. And today we at Disney World.
Exhausted, almost at the end of our to-do list. Right now we are at California Adventure. You might be able to see it outside, but I'm about to wrap it up here. We'll see what tomorrow has. Semi-refreshed from Disney. And I do say semi because your girl could go back to sleep. But my cousin has 4 kids, but my baby is still asleep. So that means I can finally get some work done. So my goal, now that I am in a new environment, is to finally get over the fear of just networking, because that has been my biggest issue. and I want to at least email 4 to 5 different decision makers. So that's the goal. So I'm about to bring out my laptop. I also have to record something for my Christian channel because all the recordings are pre-recorded since I'm here in LA. So
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong.
okay, so I just started a LinkedIn page, and there's this guy that asked me, he has an educational business, and he asked me to tell him, a little bit more about what I do, and he wants to work with me. So I'm gonna schedule him for like the end of next week. That way I'll just kind of like see what he's talking about. All right, so I actually am doing a PD on the 21st, so let me try the 22nd.
Be okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all.
Bro, my mouse is dead. I need new batteries. The plane did that. Alright, so I don't know why I just hopped on LinkedIn, but the emails were like, just kind of in my face. So we'll see about that. But let's go ahead and get started.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So one of the main schools I was trying to message, they make you do call, but there's a crying baby, TV blasting. So it's not the most professional environment. So I don't know what to do about that county. I did just send one like contact us form, but I'm like, this is not quite working the way I thought it was going to work. Because okay, so a little backup. I was going through this. I had anxiety. I felt the spirit kind of tell me to go ahead and call this one county, and I did, and they told me to email them. So I thought today was a matter of emailing and calling 4 to 5 different other counties that I had on my to-do list. But it seems like every county has a different protocol. And now that I'm finally on the vendor list, doing this part is even harder. So right now I'm trying charter schools, but it's just kind of difficult. I don't know what to do. I know I'm just gonna have to like do all the little contact forms. If I can do a few districts today, then that at least puts me on the right track. Okay, so update. I have sent 1, 2, 3 different districts and counties messages.
Adonis is coming.
Oh, yay. This is my cousin.
Yo, it's your boy.
What we're not doing is that. So I ended up doing 3 different districts. Oh, I was on my last one. So I'm on number 4. So I feel like after I do that, I will feel productive.
Chilling. We just chilling out here.
I can't with him. I feel like after I do this last email, I will feel productive because clearly they are up, ready to go.
I want to be hugged.
What are y'all doing?
We playing
Oh, you guys are playing?
Jump, 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 and fall. Can you do that to me?
So, coming in here to help my cousin make cake pops. I have officially met my goal of not only 4 but 5 different districts. I contacted their learning and teaching, and I sent emails to that person that was over learning and teaching. So I feel really good. Either I contacted that person or I did like a little message to the district. So it just depends. So we'll see if anybody reaches out. So that was my goal for today. And I don't understand why I was so anxious, so much anxiety. I guess that's just, my mind playing tricks on me. But time for breakfast and get ready for this family reunion. Definitely here in Hollywood.
I just wanna stay at home.
Got some work done. I'm excited. Now it's time for family time. Here we go. Oh yeah, girl.
I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah.
So we are here at the beach at 8 o'clock in the morning. Kids making a sandcastle. You have kids in the water and people just chilling out.
I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie. Do what I want.
Just a video. Now you win it. Now you win it.
And no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah.
And then you gonna go in?
I'm having
Or
a
with your feet?
I don't feel like talking, I just wanna hang with me. Dance around the kitchen, then binge on some TV, yeah.
Get it, girl.
I'm so
Hey,
overthinking
hey.
my life on
Get
the
it, girl.
internet.
Hey, hey.